Inside the 148th District Court, a real eviction case unfolds. A tenant facing a $2,803 balance, a landlord demanding action, and major repair issues still unresolved. What did the judge decide? How did the tenant protect her rights? This courtroom moment reveals everything.
Yeah, Your Honor, James speak to the plaintiff.
Hello.
Hi,
What's your name?
Jamaica.
All right. What are we doing on this case?
Balance is 2803. Which is a little reduction from where she was,
Yeah.
20 something.
So my understanding is that there were some repair issues. Did those get taken care of, or where are we with those?
No, it never got to.
Looks like she was supposed to file a written answer by today.
She was supposed to file a written answer by today. She did submit her rental assistance form, so she would be entitled to another adjournment on this. But
Whatever you want to do, I don't have any information on the repairs, but I'll find out about them.
all right, because my understanding is from the last, right, if I'm wrong, but she had basically stated what some of the repairs were, what the repairs were. And council had indicated they were going to get to the landlord, try to talk about that.
Yeah, the note I have just says she has repair issues.
Okay. All right. Well, let's see if we can try to figure that out. November 21st, 2025 at 1 p.m. for you to come back. Ma'am, is there anything that you can pay either into escrow or to the landlord between that time and then, or now?
I really honestly don't want to pay until they fix all my repairs because,
I understand that. Okay. And that's why the option is also to pay into the court.
okay,
All right.
yeah, I can pay into the court.
Okay. So how much can you pay?
A 1,100.
1,100?
1,100, yeah.
Okay, no, it's okay. It's okay. I got you. All right. So what I'll do is that you'll pay 1,100, but you'll pay that into court escrow. All right.
When will you do that?
Pardon?
When?
Yeah, when they're,
Today.
okay. It'll have to be cash so that you know.
Okay,
So, all right. I'll put that you'll do that by Monday. All right. In case you have to do whatever. Okay. The other thing, have you heard back from your SER at all or no?
they denied it.
Okay. Okay. So they gave you an answer on that. Have you contacted Hawk regarding payment of the other amount or anything?
No,
No? Okay. So you might want to reach out to them. There's some funding that is available in case you need it.
okay,
Okay? All right.
all right, thank you.
Thank you.
Your Honor, could we just reserve escrow just in case something
Yes.
goes wrong? I won't submit an order unless she didn't pay into the court.
Court. Okay. That's good. Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Cherry Hill Administration versus Dion Raggles.
Chief, speak for the plaintiff.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
What's your name? Name?
Dion Ragland.
You?
Leila Horton from Washington County.
I thought so. How are you today?
Good.
All right.
How are you?
All right. Where are we on this case, Mr. Ragland's case?
I've got the balance at 9,900. They did give us a list of money orders and he's been credited for all but two of them. Just get total like
1,000.
uh,
Was it more than that? It was 500
it
and
was 675 and 550, so 1,225.
1225.
So he thinks that he submitted 1225 of money orders, one for 675 and one for 550 that we don't have.
Okay, so there's about 1,200, okay.
I think he intends to move.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay, so you're gonna move?
yes.
Okay. When do you plan on doing?
Well, after I got all this information today, so in the next couple of weeks.
24.
24. So when you,
Yeah.
I, listen,
Yeah. Oh,
but you got someplace you're going or,
yeah, I have somewhere to go until the meantime.
okay, so you got someplace to temporarily kind
Yeah,
of
yeah.
stay. You're not gonna just because you think you have to leave right now.
No,
Gotta
no,
be out there.
Right,
Okay,
yeah.
that's what I want to make sure. Not gonna happen.
no.
Okay, so you think you can be out by what date?
I just got all this information today. It's as far as
No,
moving out.
I
I
got
didn't
you,
need some
but
time because I gotta get storage, a truck, and move stuff out. So,
When you think you can be out?
uh,
Today the
let
14th.
me ask you this. Today, can you be out before the end of the month? You think, or you're gonna need more time than that?
yeah, I'll probably need a little bit more time because of how I get paid and stuff. So,
All
and I
right,
gotta have money
okay,
for
so
that.
here's what I'm gonna do, because I normally would just give a judgment today, but the number is not gonna. It's gonna be what it is. So I'm gonna adjourn you out, Mr. Ragland, and let you come back on the 21st, 2025 at 1 p.m. Okay? Here's what I want you to do. It's likely I'm gonna issue a judgment at that time, give you a time frame
Okay.
by which you need to move out.
Yes.
But I'm trying to give you time to get a plan in place for how you're going to do this. So
Right.
you're not just trying to pile everything into a truck and just go.
Right. Yeah.
Okay. And
Yeah.
I think that's what you don't want to do.
Right. Right. Yeah.
And
Exactly.
so I'm going to give you that with this week to try to get that straight.
Okay.
We could just make it the
No,
28th. Oh, no, that's it. Well, that's a.
I put it into the next month. He may be there, but I want to. I hear you, Mr. Fink, but
I would have to come back if we can figure out the.
right. If it can be work, no, I hear you, but I also don't want Mr. Ragland. I want him to have time to kind of
Yeah.
through be able to make some decisions and do
Right.
just try to work it out for himself in a lot of ways. He's got it. The first part figured out that he's got to move.
Right.
The next part is he's got to
Getting-
figure out how he's going to do that
Exactly.
and as comfortable as move can be, comfortably do it. So I'm going to do it that way. Okay.
Yeah. That's
Right.
fine.
But when you come back, I need you to have sort of things
Yeah. Oh
in
yeah.
place as to how you're going to do this.
Yes. No. No.
Okay.
Yep.
All right.
All right.
Take care.
All right. Thank you. Appreciate
Thank
you.
you.
All right.
Have a good one.
Forrest Knoll versus Shemaya Charles.
Jason for the plaintiff.
Charles, not here. You've previously been sworn. You may proceed.
I'm still sworn.
Yes.
Your Honor, this is an action for non-payment of rent. This defendant owes $666 in rent. The costs are $175 for a total possession only judgment of $841.
Judgment to the plaintiff. That's by default for possession. Redemption amount requested. Issue intent case. Forrest Knoll versus Rosalind Latt.
James Fink for the plaintiff.
Yeah, I gave him.
Let me see if it's
I
on
got
here.
a receipt if you want.
It should be on here. Let me look.
The 500.
I gave him 675 yesterday.
You paid more than what you said you were going to.
Yeah. Oh, I got the receipt in here. That's why.
No, it's okay. You're
My ledger is dated yesterday and it does not include that. So assuming that's correct, she would be, the balance today is 1278. If she paid 600, she'll only need to pay another 678.
When do you think that can happen, ma'am?
I can Instacart and have it by Thursday or I get paid.
You can have it by next Thursday?
Yeah.
Is
or I
Thursday
get
coming
paid
up?
the week of Wednesday after next too, if, to be safe.
Well, if you get it paid by next, he's gonna adjourn it a week, and if you get it paid by next Thursday, I can.
They'll dismiss it.
You do that.
Yeah.
You want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll adjourn it to November 21st, 2025 at 1 PM. Okay? Get it paid and hopefully we can just dismiss this.
Okay, thank you.
You take care.
One of my brother's best friends. Yeah.
Peninsula Place Apartments versus Michael Pugh. Yes. Mr. Pugh?
Yes.
Okay, there he is.
James, thank you for the plan.
All right, what do you have as a plan? Oh, you looked that up. Did you pay the 800 already?
Yes, I did.
Okay, when did you do that?
I did it, I would say probably 3 days ago.
Okay, so you paid it earlier than, okay. So they may hit the balance.
I have 2170.
Given what, well, no, because November came around. The last time you were here was October 31st. Okay. So how are you intending on getting the rest of this paid off?
So I start my new job next week, and that was our main issue was like seeing how I would pay it until I started work. But I had paid the 800, and I start working next week.
Okay. Um. Then you don't get paid for.
They have an
What?
option. It's like it's weekly pay, but they have an option after setup where I can get paid like after every shift.
Okay, I see what you're saying. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do, sir. I'm gonna find no tribal issue. I'm gonna issue a judgment for possession in that full amount. And what I'm gonna suggest that you do, I'll give you a little bit more time and I'll give you till, it normally would be the 24th, but a writ will be November 26th. So I'll give a couple more days. You need to reach out to the landlord and the attorney's office, have a concrete plan, see if they can work with you to give you time to get this paid off. Okay?
Okay, and what time on the 26th? Or
Well, that's not a court date. That's a
uh,
date that they can at least request the court to have you evicted. So that's why
okay,
you gotta call, you gotta get to them, see if you can work it out based upon how your pay is. Because you're right, we're waiting on you to get yourself working. You paid the 80. It kind of kept you sort of steady coming into November. But now you gotta get with them and get a plan as to how you're gonna move forward.
okay,
All right?
all right.
Okay, I've signed that judgment. Thank you. River Drive Apartments versus Ann Marquette. Marquette, I should